Cymraeg, or Welsh, is one of Europe's oldest living languages. It is what defines Wales as a nation. 1 in 5 people in Wales speak Cymraeg, and the number is growing. Wales health boards, councils and governments all use Cymraeg as their official language, and all road signs are bilingual. As the only bilingual Russell Group university, students can study through the medium of Cymraeg, while there are plenty of opportunities for everyone to learn the language and experience our vibrant culture. Cymraeg is part of our identity, and as a Cardiff University student, it is part of yours too. You don't have to be fluent to be proud of studying in a small and mighty nation with a unique language. We want to encourage all our students to show their pride in where they study by using just 3 friendly phrases. The next time you pick up a coffee, reply, "Diolch." That means thank you. When a lecturer greets you at the start of a session, say "Bore da" or "Prynawn da," which means good morning or good afternoon. Now the most caring phrase of them all, "Shwmae," which means how are you? And you can reply "Rwy'n dda diolch," which means I'm well thank you. Cymraeg, a language for everyone at Cardiff University.